Hi! In front of me is Honor 20 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down, choose system, then tap on languages and input, your current keyboard, in my case Microsoft One, and finally themes. Then you need to select yours over here and tap on the best theme for you. I want to set up high contrast dark ones, I have to tap on it and simply go back. Now when I try to access my keyboard, I can see the theme of it has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!